Alrighty, everybody, we got another new video. We're going to open up a blaster box of Bowman 2024. This is a retail product. We got it at Target. We've opened a hanger pack of this before. Nothing too impressive in there. And here's the payload. Let's see what we can get. Hopefully some color. But we will see. There's a Ronnie Mauricio, Bobby Witt Jr., Alvarez. And this is a Prospects 100 card, Colin Hook. Not numbered. Looks like the chrome cards are going to be at the back. Does feel like they're made on a different material than normal. All right, we got a green coming up. I like it. Dolis Garcia, Juan Soto. It is a Spencer Nivens. And is it green? Or is it a Lunar Glow? That might be a Lunar Glow. All right, nonetheless, we got a parallel. Alrighty, maybe we got another Lunar Glow coming up here. And nope, it's going to be a Curtis Mead. That's a nice looking card. It's not going to be numbered. Maybe it has that Lunar Glow to it. I'm not sure. Nice Ellie De La Cruz rookie card. That's one we want. Nice. We got an Enrique Bradfield Jr. autograph. And, of course, that's not going to be numbered. It's not a parallel. And Marcelo Mayer. Aaron Judge, Corbin Carroll. Jackson Churio. All right, last pack. Nice that we pulled an auto. Hopefully he's somebody decent. It was an Evan Carter rookie card. And what is this? This is a Prospect Power-Up. Wyatt Langford. Let's hope that's a good one. Who knows, though? Actually, I'm going to keep it off the screen because I don't know. It doesn't say rookie. And that is going to do it. Thank you for watching.